Morning, everyone. Hope everybody's having a great week so far. Today is Wednesday, which means it's Cast Iron Wednesday. I'm going to do, of course, a little something out of the box. I made a Brunswick stew over the weekend. That video's coming up probably this weekend. But I want to do a Brunswick stew pot pie. So, never heard of it. But that stew was amazing, and I think this is going to be killer. So, cheers. Let me show you what I got. Alright, so our ingredients is a pie crust, 10-inch skillet, cast iron skillet. This happens to be my Great Smoky Mountains 2016 commemorative one. Heard me talk about that before. Leftover Brunswick stew, and I took this Pitmaster Elite number 2 of 6, sprinkled it on there, and let me tell you what, wow. Alright, so let's do this. First things first, spray the pan. Will it need it? I don't know. Is it gonna hurt it? Nope. Alright. Rip open one of these pie crusts, ready-made pie crusts. Unroll it. And we're going to try to stretch it out and form it to our 10-inch skillet. Just like so. It's going to be good. Just like that. First time doing this, by the way. So, if it turns out great, good. Alright. Now we're going to take our Brunswick stew, what's left of it, dump it all in there. Okay. Push it around. This Brunswick stew's got pulled pork, smoked pulled chicken, ground sirloin, tomatoes, cream corn, some jalapeno powder, some salt and pepper. It was some good stuff. Simple dish. You guys check it out this weekend. Very, very wonderful. Now, take this Pitmaster Elite. I'm just going to sprinkle it on top. Like that. Take my second pan, or my pie crust. Oops, tore it. Unroll it. Set it down on top. Try to crimp it. Maybe they'll meet up, I don't know. I don't do many pies. Okay, make it look like that. Yep. Now, I was going to do this anyway, but I decided to read the box. But it says to cut 4 slits. So I'm just taking a butter knife and cutting 4 little slits. And I got my oven heating up to 425 per the box. All right, the oven's preheated to 425. Slide her in there and let it go, and we'll check back when it's golden brown. All right, let's check it out here. Oop, bump the camera. Let's see what we got. Nothing fancy here. Let's see. See, I was kind of poking around. Getting, looks like our crust is done. Whew, getting hot. All right, guys, that's it. That's our pie. Let's let me struggle to get one of these out. Get a slice out here. I want to tell you the time was right around 25 minutes. But I don't really know. I just went by golden brown. I was doing some other projects around the house this morning. So let's see if I can get this out without tearing it up too bad. I should, obviously should let it cool down, but holy cow, that smell just comes out and just it just sings sweet nothings to your belly. Oh my gosh. Oh. If this pie and I were dating, I would be so in love right now. Oh, I think I'm in love right now. Oh. Holy cow. Let's check this out. Holy. Oh my goodness. It smells so wonderful. Can you smell that? Smell-o-vision? I know it's not a thing, but you see the steam. Yeah, you see the steam. Just came out. Oh man. A little bit of the crust. Here we go. Whew. Whew, hot. Temperature hot. Flavor's amazing. The crust is flaky. It's done top and bottom. That's pretty good. I was kind of nervous because I usually preheat my iron, and then as it's cooling down while I'm putting the stuff in it, it's still warmer than cold iron. So I don't know, to try to promote even cooking, but wow. Brunswick stew pot pie. Never heard of it, but let me tell you what, I am a fan. This stuff. Be still my heart, sweet Clementine. What did Mr. Fred Sanford used to say? Elizabeth, I'm coming home, baby. Stuff is amazing. All right, guys. That's all I got today. Everybody have a great week. Peace. Remember, Smoking Bears, Cast Iron Wednesday. Family cooks together, stays together. Mine's at school. I just got off work when I filmed this. And just try something new, man. I'm telling you. You may find something that is just... Oh, Elizabeth! Oh.